So your goal is to write 1, 2, 3 as a linear combination of 1, 1, 2, B, 1, 0, 1, C, 5, 1, 7. Right? And this is really like this is really like 1, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 5, 1, 7 times A, B, C. Okay. As you can see, if you multiply it, always the first column gets multiplied by A, and second column gets multiplied by B, and third column gets multiplied by C, and you're trying to solve this equation. So there are several ways you can do this. So give me all the ways that you can solve this, because you've learned a lot, right? REF. You can write this one with this as the augmented one, and do REF with your calculator. You can immediately get your answer, right? That's one. I think that would be the most practical and quickest way. And then I would only recommend using the Cramer's rule if you have letters in here. Okay? Cramer's rule are the best if you have letters, so you can't use REF. But if you have numbers, then REF is the best. Okay? So Antonio is trying REF. Are you done?
I'm just typing it in.
Typing them. Okay. Yeah, but let's just do it by hand then. 1, 1, 5. 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's subtract this. So R2 minus R1, and then replacing R2, and then R3 minus twice of R1, replacing R3, gives you 1, 1, 5. 1 doesn't change, but then subtracting, you get 0, -1. -4, 1, and then twice of this will be 0, -1, then twice of this subtracted will be -3, twice of it will be 1. Okay, and then I can add R2 to R1, replacing R1, right? And R3 minus R1, replacing R3. What does that give you? You get 1, 0, 1, 2, -1, -4, 1, and then be 0, and then if you subtract, it will be +1, and then 0, right? Okay. And then I multiply by -1 to make this as positive. So 1, 0, 1, 2. 1, 4, and -1, 1, 0. And then at this point, see, I was talking about REF where everything is just completely solved, but you know, if it's upper triangular, you can already solve by back substitution. So if you write this, it means A plus C equals to 2, and B plus 4C is equal to -1. And C is 0, that's what it means, right? But then if C is 0, then B must be -1.
A is 2.
A is 2, right? So that's the quickest way, I think. And that wasn't that long compared to, you got that? Okay, yeah. You can use a calculator a bit faster. So what we find out is that if you have V, and rewrite under this basis B, what you get is, what is it? So this would be 2, -1, and 0.